To connect Printify to Amazon, you can utilize Amazon's Merch by Amazon program, which allows you to create and sell custom designed merchandise on the Amazon platform. Here's how you can do it. Sign up for Merch by Amazon. First, sign up for the Merch by Amazon program. You may need to request an invitation and wait for approval before you can start selling. Design your products on Printify. Use Printify's platform to design and create your custom merchandise, such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, etc. Select the products you want to sell on Amazon and customize them with your designs. Upload designs to Merch by Amazon. Once your designs are ready, upload them to your Merch by Amazon account. You'll need to follow Amazon's guidelines for image specifications and product listings. Set prices and descriptions. Determine the prices for your products and write compelling descriptions that will attract potential buyers on Amazon. Link Printify products to Amazon listings. In your Merch by Amazon account, link your Printify products to Amazon listings. This typically involves providing details such as product dimensions, colors, and variations. Publish your listings. After setting up your listings, publish them on Amazon's marketplace. Your custom designed merchandise will now be available for purchase by Amazon customers.